From Apple Valley News Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Josh Colbreth.
Welcome back to Good Morning Northwest. Saturday is a First Alert Weather Day from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., specifically in the Kittitas Valley. So those peak wind gusts could be anywhere between 55 to 60 miles per hour. Now, the windy predicament is actually going to start tomorrow night after 5 p.m. You can see some of those peak gusts out of the north and west, upwards of 50 miles per hour in the Kittitas Valley, up around 45 miles per hour for the Blue Foothills of Morrow County. But the prime time frame for the peak wind gusts going to be on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. That's why and when we're going with the First Alert Weather Day. Again, Kittitas Valley peak wind gusts between 55 to 60 miles per hour. And then in the Blue Foothills of Morrow County, some of those peak wind gusts could be up around 50 miles per hour. And that's going to be in association with the storm system that could bring us some showers as we head into Friday night, mostly after 5 p.m. We'll put this into motion with Futurecast radar. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow night, that's when we could see some showers starting to line up in Kittitas and Yakima counties. And then a little bit later on, that's when thunderstorm chances are going to start to go up. And this will continue as we head into Saturday. So from 5 p.m. on Friday to 5 in the morning on Sunday, here's some of the rainfall totals we're thinking. Not very much. Models have trended drier and drier with the storm system. We're thinking only 0.1 to 0.2 inches of rainfall up in the mountains, even less than that in between the mountain ranges. So this is not going to be a very wet storm system at all. In fact, this isn't going to be a very wet 7-day forecast at all. Pretty dry after that Friday, Saturday storm system. But that storm system associated with a cold front that is going to do a real number to our temperatures. We're going to be about 15 to 20 degrees above average for Friday, but then dropping off by about 15 to 20 degrees from Friday into Saturday. But that's just going to be an aberration as we start to warm things up again as we head into next week. Okay, here is the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. It's going to be a beautiful summer-like day for today and tomorrow. A steep cool down this weekend and warmer again next week. In Yakima, thunderstorms possible on Friday night, but mostly dry and much cooler by Saturday, heating up again into next week. For Ellensburg, strong winds start Friday night, but peak on Saturday, thus the First Alert Weather Day. Still windy for Sunday, but finally calmer by Monday. For Hermiston, sunny and warming up today and tomorrow, then a big-time cool down this weekend with showers likely Saturday. Then for Walla Walla, fantastic weather over the next couple days. Rain likely Saturdays. We turn much cooler, but back into the 70s and 80s next week.